Hey guys, Michael Symon here, just hanging out in the garden. I feel that there's a lot of people gardening this year and a lot of first-time gardeners. So here's some tomato tips for you. So tomatoes are something that a lot of people grow at home, and there's a lot of first-time growers out there. Couple rules for tomatoes. I always start them on a stake early on, just to get them moving in the right direction, and then maybe I'll go to a larger cage later, as the tomatoes sometimes will get a little unruly, so don't panic if they get unruly. But one of the important things is to prune the suckers off your tomatoes. This makes sure that you get, one, maximum development of fruit, and two, these suckers are part of the unruliness because they grow and they bear no fruit at all. So when you look at your tomato plant, there's the main branch coming down and then one side branch coming off. This guy growing here in the middle is a sucker. So I'm gonna take the sucker off. I'm also gonna take one off here. And I do this every couple days in my tomato plant because they come fast and furious and we just pull them away. So this plant is now looking pretty good. My last tomato tip for you is water early in the season. When the tomatoes start bearing fruit, cut down on your watering just a touch, because you don't want watery tomatoes, you want tomatoes that are full of flavor. So water early in the season. When they start bearing fruit, tamp back, and you will have delicious tomatoes.